Hi, Doug Pelton from the Frame Up. We've added a new piece of equipment to our shop, allowing us to test starters and generators. We've got Paul, our technician, here, and we're going to take a look and see how this works. This is our equipment, the chromeless alternator generator test equipment, and we'll put a generator in position, set up the belt so we can spin it, and then after we get it going, we're going to take a look at the field output, the output voltage, and then we've got the output current and battery charging. So I think it's time to see how this works, Paul. Let's give it a shot. Go ahead.
Okay. Turn on the field. This is your field current. This is your battery output voltage. It's about 18 volts. This is 35 amp output, and at the battery you get about 38 amps. And I'm putting a load on it. So I can drop it down to about 13 and a half. It's still 35 amps. The battery is actually only getting like about 5 amps now. As I lessen the load, this will get more.
Okay, so the generator tests good?
Yes, it checks good.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.